Your skin is not going to glow if it's starved of moisture. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today's video is a highly requested video. After my last video on light caramel complexion skincare routine, a lot of you were requesting I make a face care routine for light caramel skin tone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best glowy face care routine for light caramel skin tone and the top product recommendations you need to be using if you want to have a smooth, soft, beautiful, glowing face. And guess what? This routine is actually perfect for all skin types, and I'm going to be showing you the best product for you. So let's dive right into it. And the first product you're going to need in your face care routine for light caramel skin tone is a face cleanser. Honestly, as a light caramel skin tone, you need a face cleanser that is going to be gentle on your skin while removing all the dead oils and makeup on your skin. And this CeraVe Foaming Face Cleanser is one of the best face cleansers that you need in your skincare routine if you really want to maintain a beautiful and healthy light caramel skin tone. You want a cleanser that will gently and gradually cleanse your skin and remove all the dirt without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Like, the last thing you want as a caramel skin tone is a cleanser that will dry out your face or darken your skin. This CeraVe Foaming Face Wash is actually suitable for all skin types and is going to help get rid of all the impurities on your skin while still maintaining a healthy, hydrated skin. Now, if you cannot afford to get the CeraVe Foaming Face Wash, you can simply opt in for this Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. This is an excellent cleanser and it actually contains ingredients like vitamin C, BHA that will gently brighten your skin and exfoliate your skin. So if you're looking to have a bright, healthy looking skin, you can cop any of those face cleansers, or you can even lay your hands on the simple facial cleanser or even this face fat cleanser. These are affordable face cleansers that are gentle on the skin and suitable for your light caramel skin tone. Once you're done cleansing your face, the next or second step is to tone your skin. And this aqua toner is best for a light caramel skin tone. This toner is going to help soothe your skin, calm your skin, and give you a healthy looking skin. It's not just going to balance your skin's pH, it's equally going to help brighten up your complexion and prevent your light caramel skin tone from getting darker. This toner is formulated with licorice extract, which is going to help brighten up your skin, hydrate your skin, and give you a beautiful glowing skin. If you want to even out your skin tone and have a smooth, beautiful, glowing face, then get this aqua toner. You're really going to love the effect on your skin. It's a really nice toner that is going to soothe your skin and give you a beautiful, glowing skin. So if you really want to maintain your light caramel skin tone and prevent it from getting darker, then this aqua toner is really good. It's going to help nourish your skin and give you a glowy face. It retails at the cost of 12,000 naira for the smaller bottle, while the bigger bottle retails at the cost range of 60,000 naira. So you could get any of those and achieve a beautiful glowing face. If you cannot afford to get the aqua toner, you can simply opt in for the rose water toner. It's still an excellent toner that is going to get the job done. If you're someone with an extremely dry skin and you can actually afford to splurge on face toners, then I'll recommend you get the Cosrx Propolis toner. This is another excellent face toner that is going to serve similar function. This one is more hydrating and is going to keep your dry skin well moisturized and plump. So that is why I really love this one. Immediately you're done applying your face toner, the next step is to use your face serums. See, as a light caramel skin tone, serums are very, very important because they will help to address your skin concerns. Take, for instance, you're someone with an acne-prone skin and you usually have blemishes and breakouts on your skin. You can simply add this Food Molecules Niacinamide Serum in your skincare routine. It's an excellent serum that is going to help curtail your breakouts and give you a smooth, even glowing skin. This right here would help with your skin texture as well as your acne breakout. Whereas if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone, or you just want to brighten up your complexion, then you can add La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum in your skincare routine. If you cannot afford to get La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum, I'll definitely recommend you add this Russian Vitamin C Serum in your skincare routine. This right here is an affordable alternative for the La Roche-Posay one. For someone that struggles mostly with dark spots and still wants a brighter, glowing face, you can get the alpha-arbutin serum. It's a nice treatment serum that is going to help you tackle your dark spots and give you a smooth, beautiful, bright, glowing skin. The light caramel skin tone, you need one or more of the serums I've shown you to be able to tackle your dark spots, your discolorations, and maintain a bright, healthy looking skin. Any of the serums in your routine will give you a flawless, beautiful, glowing light caramel skin tone. And for those of you with acne or breakouts on your face, I'll not recommend for you to use a vitamin C serum. You can either get the niacinamide serum with the alpha-arbutin to curtail your breakouts, or you could add both the niacinamide serum with the alpha-arbutin. That way you can curtail your breakouts and at the same time tackle your dark spots. So that is simply it on how you can mismatch these face serums and add them in your routine. One thing I would like you to note, if you're using more than one serum in your face care routine as a light caramel skin tone, is to always apply your serums based on their texture. If your alpha-arbutin is way lighter than your niacinamide serum, then go in with your alpha-arbutin first before you apply your niacinamide. That way, you're going to be achieving an amazing effect and glow on your skin. Once you're done applying your face serums, the next step in your face care routine should be your face cream. When it comes to face creams, I recommend using this Olive Vitamin C Face Moisturizer, or you can get this Always Bright Face Cream, or any other brightening face cream. It mustn't really be these two that I just showed you. I also have a video on the best brightening face creams you can use if you have a light caramel skin tone that will not make you go darker. The reason I actually love and recommend using this only one is because it has a lightweight texture and is so moisturizing on the skin. In fact, they will both brighten up your skin and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing face. These face creams will help to give your skin that radiant glow. As a light caramel skin tone, you actually need a face cream that contains either vitamin C, niacinamide, or ingredients that will enhance your skin's natural glow. So when adding a face cream in your skincare routine, ensure it contains one or more brightening ingredients. Lastly, you're also going to need a sunscreen. Now, you may think sunscreen is only for summer. My dear, ensure you wear your sunscreen every single day because you don't want your light caramel skin tone going darker. If you really want to make your skin pop and glow, try getting or adding a sunscreen in your routine. And some of my favorite or best sunscreens to recommend for a light caramel skin tone is this La Roche-Posay Melting Milk Sunscreen. It's an amazing sunscreen that is going to help ensure your skin is well protected. You can get the Skin Aqua Sunscreen or this Sundance Sunscreen or even the Biore UV Watery Essence Sunscreen. These are amazing sunscreens that will not only protect your skin from the sun and prevent your light caramel skin tone from getting darker. Also going to help tackle your dark spots and get rid of your uneven skin tone. Yes, your sunscreen actually helps with those. When you're consistently using a nice sunscreen, your dark spot is going to fade away and your uneven skin tone is going to even out. So try protecting your skin from the sun. Try as much as possible to add a good sunscreen in your skincare routine, and you're really going to love the effect on your skin. Your face is going to look so much smooth, radiant, and glowy. When you follow this face care routine and use this light caramel skin tone products I've shown you guys, trust me, you're going to be on your way to a smooth, radiant, glowy complexion. Your skin is actually going to be popping and lots of people will be complimenting your skin. So try combining these products together and you're going to maintain and glow your light caramel skin tone. Like I always say, consistency is key. So try as much as possible to be consistent with all the skincare products, because you don't just want to use them for one day and you're already telling me, Judith, I'm not seeing anything. You have to be consistent and patient with them. Like give this just a period of 2 weeks of consistent use and your skin is going to be glowing. If your skin is not popping, just come and catch me. Give this product a period of 2 weeks and you're definitely going to see the results on your skin. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you really enjoyed watching today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. See, a lot of you watching my videos are not yet subscribed. Please go ahead and tap on the subscribe button right away to join the fam, and catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.